Hello marketers, welcome once again. This is Limitless TradeHub. Today we will learn more basic 5 things of the market. Number 1, we will learn how to find double top and double bottom. Secondly, we will learn how to catch trend early. Thirdly, we will learn how to trade price action perfectly, because we all know all about price action and it works perfectly in market, but we don't know how to trade this price action. So today we will learn how to trade it perfectly. Number 4, we will learn to trade proper candlesticks formation. We know that there are many candlesticks in chart, but many formation, but we need to pick the right one. So today we will learn how to trade proper candlesticks formation. And lastly, number 5, we'll try to understand the market sentiment, because if we understand the sentiment of the market, then we will obviously predict the market. We will understand from where the price comes and from where the price will go. So if we predict the market correctly, then we can place our trade correctly. So there's 5 things, major 5 things we will learn today. Okay, let's begin our trade setup. Then I need to delete these things. Okay, if we try to catch a proper trade, then with this method, with this double top double bottom method, then first we have to find out the setup. Here this is EuroCap chart, 4-hour chart. If we mark this area, if we mark this area, then we can see that price comes from here to here and formed a bottom, and then market leaders try to push up the price, and then price go from here to here. But then if we from here to here, then again price come from here to here and makes a second bottom. So this is our first bottom and this is our second bottom, and then market leaders try to push the price at low side, but it didn't work. So price again fly from here to here. So we have already find our first bottom and second bottom. Now this is the key point. We have to look very closely at price sentiment when price comes from here to here, because we know that this is our first bottom, this is our second bottom. So when price comes here, we will watch carefully that whether the price breaks this area or not. Yes, price breaks beautifully this area, this double bottom area, with this candle. So if we trade this setup this way, like if we sell here, if we sell here at the low of the breaking candle, and if we place our stop loss here at the high of the breaking candle, like this way, sell here, sell here, sell here, stop loss here, stop loss here, then just measure the risk reward. This is 31 pips risk, and this is 4-hour chart, so risk is not too big. If we catch 1:2, then our reward will be 62 pips. So where is 62? Here is a 62 pips. Here is a 62 pips. So we can close it here. Although it touched 1:3, or more than 1:3, but we can take our profit here. Take our profit here. We can watch beautifully that our trade hits our target very beautifully. So now we can understand that double bottom works, and at the very beginning of the video I told that today we will also learn how to catch the correct formation of the candlestick. If you look closely this candle, then you can see that this is a bearish candle. If this candle was a bullish candle, like if this candle was a blue candle in our chart, then we did not do this trade, because if we try to understand the market sentiment, then we will understand that traders, big boys, push the price very aggressively from here to here. So we can assume that price will come low further, like this way. So our pattern is very important in this way. And again, if we want to trade more, if we want to add our position again in the sell side, then you can see that price try to go higher, but from this area, this zone, what is this zone? This is a sell zone, because we know that price breaks from here to here. Again, price formed a bearish candle here, engulfing candle or bearish candle, you can say anything, from this zone. So we can again sell here to place our stop loss here, and watch again price hit our target 1:3, more than 1:3. So marketers, hope you will understand basic or core lessons of this video. Now I think I should show you one more example, and that is buy example. As this is a sell example, then I will show you one more example, and that is buy example. Okay guys, here we have found the buy setup. This is our GBPJPY pound versus Japanese yen, and this is for our chart. If we see very carefully, then we will find this setup like this way. We can assume that this is our first bottom, this is our second bottom. If we watch very carefully, that price goes from here to here, price goes from here to here, and then price back from here to here. Again price goes from here to here, and then price again back from here to here. So we have already found our double top. This is the first top and this is the second top. Now we will watch very carefully when price comes this zone. Why this zone? Because we already found our second top, first top, second top. But just watch very carefully. When price comes from here to here, this zone, then price breaks very sharply, and this is our breaking candle. So if we want to take this setup, then we can buy here. We can buy here from break of this candle, and we can place our stop loss here at the bottom of the candle. If we buy here and place a stop loss here, then what will be our risk reward ratio? Risk will be only 60, only 70 pips. As this is for our chart, this is not a very big deal. So if we want to take 1:2, then 70 into 2 is 140. Yes, this is 140. So this is our 1:2 target. Price hit very beautifully this 1:2 target. Actually price hit 1:5 or 6, more than 1:6 risk reward, but we will close this 1:2 at this level. So I have already shown you how we can sell with this setup in double bottom, break double bottom, and now I have already shown you how we can trade double top bottom or double top pattern. And again, formation is very important. If price breaks, if we see here a bullish bearish candle, then we did not open any trade, as we are seeing that here is a bullish candle, strong bullish candle, so we can assume the price will go further higher. So hope you guys understand what I am saying. And guys, if you have any question, if you have any query, or if you want to learn more about this strategy, then you can comment below this video. And if you agree with me, then hit the like button. If you disagree with this method, then you also hit dislike button. Okay, for today this is our ending session.